there? What letter? Oh, Mommy dropped it. That's cool looking.
Yeah. Do that one.
That's Charlotte's. It's got a C on it. See, it came out kind of yellow, orangey, pink. See the C?
Do that one too.
Whoa! Daddy, look at that. Whoa! I died. It's okay. It's okay. We'll eat it. That's okay.
You don't have to eat it.
We should have did a bunch like that. That's cool. Half and half.
Okay.
All right.
What do you do now?
What we do now is we cook